But this is an interesting litmus test. One guy liked the film, one guy did not. So go watch it and tell us what you. And one hasn't seen only.
Yeah.
So yeah. I have a movie which is a little weird when it comes to friendship. Because one character in this movie is an adult and all his friends are children.
Oh fuck, मैंने लिस्ट फोन में डाली थी, फोन से तो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है.
Which is a better patriotic film for you? Rang De Basanti or Chak De India?
रंग दे बसंती थी.
What? See,
Rang De
again,
Basanti
both
is
are
very
excellent
flawed.
films.
It has not aged.
Can you imagine Jawed wrote Senorita? Isn't that amazing?
I can actually.
देखिए जब सेनोरिटा की बात आती
मोहतरमा, ये सब मोहतरमा बोल रहे हैं.
है मोहतरमा को अलग अलग जबान में अलग अलग चीज कहते हैं. जैसे अगर आप स्पेन चले जाए
तेरा यार हूँ मैं.
तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ.
क्या बात है.
Minus दोस्त ना प्यार प्यार जिंदगी. Welcome guys.
The moment we start
I was waiting. Welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. I'm Antrish Thakkar, joined by
Abbas Momin.
And Snehal Aneja.
and today we are talking about our favorite buddy movies.
Buddy movies. Yes.
Buddy cop movies are allowed. Buddy
course.
movies are allowed. Buddy ship turning into relationship. Is it allowed? In Abbas's life. Why we are saying that is because just before this, Abbas was making claims about his life.
Yeah.
saying,
Let me set context
Yes.
before we started rolling.
Yeah.
Snehal asked me, "Do you have a best friend
Story,
anecdote?"
yeah.
A story or an anecdote. तो मैंने बहुत सोचा, मैं यार बता देता तो मैं सोच क्या था, क्योंकि बेस्ट फ्रेंड मैं सोच रहा हूँ मेरा स्कूल में ही है. And then I told him and told both of you that's why breakups are very hard for me, because I feel like I'm letting go of my best friend. Because whoever I date becomes my best friend.
प्यार दोस्ती है, बहुत ही सीरियसली लिया हुआ है.
I mean, see, for the woman you're dating right now,
Yeah.
if she sees this, she's gonna give you a tight hug. You know, you're getting good sex
She's
that
not
day.
gonna see this. I've tried very hard to show her this.
clip this for Abbas.
आवाज इज लाइक मैं बहुत कोशिश करता हूँ ये चीज ये देख के लो.
हाँ, पर वो नहीं देखती है. पहले 2 मिनट में फोन आ जाता है उसका. यू स्क्रॉल.
आपको पता है अभी जो हमने डेडपूल वुल्वरीन वाला एपिसोड किया उसके प्रीमियर में बैठा हुआ था एंड समवन ड्रॉप्ड अ मैसेज.
Talk about best friends.
Someone messaged like, is Abbas married or this was just another Cyrus joke that didn't land?
Which one?
And I'm like, yही that Abbas is apparently इन्होंने कुछ Cyrus के शो पे जोक किया होगा that Abbas is married or something.
Maybe there've been so many marriage jokes
many,
on that show.
So someone was like, is Abbas really married? I'm like, no, he's single. I don't know whether ready to mingle or not. But
No, I'm not married, guys. You can totally slide into my DMs.
एक मिनट
I need more friends. That's why.
He's truly doing friendship with her. Truly doing friendship. क्या मुझसे friendship करोगे?
फ्रेंडशिप करोगी.
So how do we want to go about this? I think basically what we thought is that each of us brings 3 films.
3 films, top 3 buddy
right?
films.
Yeah, in our opinion, and then maybe a few special mentions, honorable
Yeah,
mentions.
we can do that.
here and
Yes.
there.
हाँ, and this does not completely have to be कि ओ इसका सिनेमा बहुत अच्छा है, इसका ये कैमरा एंगल.
Just our opinion,
हमें
bro.
जो पसंद है
Yeah.
बड़ी फिल्म, हम वो बड़ी फिल्म बोल रहे हैं
Yeah.
कि अच्छी है.
So you have Tarzan on your.
That's what I said, dude. That's exactly what I said.
ठीक
Oh
है,
my
Snehal.
God, did I say the exact same thing? Fuck, that's insane.
जब स्नेहिल इतना वो डिस्क्लेमर देता है तो उसका एक ही मतलब है.
नहीं
वो और उसके गाड़ी के बीच में इतनी फ्रेंडशिप
इतनी दोस्ती थी.
that car with bad teeth. So before we get into this topic, you guys also saw some movies over this weekend.
Yes.
I think
Yeah,
you guys saw Ulaj.
I also saw
Ulaj,
Ulaj, yes.
and I saw this horror film called Long Legs. which
किसी
is
ने
really
कमेंट किया था लॉन्ग लेग्स देखो अच्छी फिल्म है.
अच्छी फिल्म है बहुत. I really liked it.
Long Legs
It's a Hollywood film. It's a horror film.
is it the prequel to?
No, it's a standalone
अच्छा.
low budget horror film.
Isn't there a Quiet Place prequel out right now?
Yeah, that's called
A Quiet Place.
Day One. I think it's called
Day
Quiet
One, I think
Place
it's
Day
Day
One.
One,
That I have not seen yet, but I have heard it's pretty good.
Yeah.
But Ulaj, since we've both seen
Ulaj,
Snail, you want to
यार
tell
मुझे
your opinions.
मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है, हमने पहले भी थोड़ी सी बात करी है इसके बारे में, बट आई थिंक
Gulshan Devaya, firstly,
Gulshan Devaya
friend
is
of
great.
ours.
yeah. Bro, मैं पता है, like there are days when I'm talking about the podcast and talking about the like celebrities that I've spoken to, and I think Gulshan Devaya always comes up in that conversation because he was such a great guest on the show.
Yeah, correct.
I would love to have you again on the show if you stumble upon this.
You
Anyway,
can also send it to him. Did you stumble yet? Have you stumbled upon us yet?
but Gulshan Devaya was great in Ulaj. So Ulaj is basically a Janhvi Kapoor and Gulshan Devaya starrer espionage thriller
yeah.
of sorts, where Janhvi Kapoor is playing the youngest DHC ever.
What is
and,
DHC?
High Commissioner.
Hi to hogi wo,
High
I'm
to.
But what?
But
High Commission-
deputy.
Deputy High Commissioner.
High Commission. So she's playing that, and and Gulshan Devaya is playing the antagonist.
Okay.
और गुलशन देवैया और जानवी कपूर के बीच में फिर क्या होता है, इवेंचुअली उनका क्या गोल है.
Okay.
So
He plays a chef?
Yes, to begin
also
with,
spy.
but
To
yeah,
begin
then,
with,
then there are
yeah.
revelations
Yeah.
which we should not give away in case people want to watch
in
it.
case people want to watch it,
Yeah.
I would actually say कि it's not as bad as people are saying, at least according to me. मुझे पता है काफी लोग इस पॉडकास्ट में मेरी ओपिनियन अबाउट फिल्म
काफी लोग एक ने तो देखी नहीं है.
Right now, I feel I'm the only reputable person. No, I also said Vikrant Massey.
Yeah, it's Captain
Should be cast as
America.
Captain
Yeah.
America. So,
but so I think the major criticism या critique that the film is getting, I agree with 2 or 3 points with that. So overall, I think it's a decent watch. I don't consider it to be like a bad watch for sure. I think it's a decent watch. I loved Gulshan Devaya in the film.
was he the best part about the film?
He was the best part about the film, hands down.
How's Janhvi?
Janhvi is also like pretty decent, bro. I didn't find her to be bad.
Yeah.
I think she's definitely the best of the lot. I think
You mean
like the newcomer lot.
Okay, so
जो
like,
अभी
who
आया
are
है.
like counting in that?
I am not saying, but
Bro, what? Better than Ananya? Better than Ananya?
for sure,
Better than Sara?
for sure, yeah.
Who else is there?
100%.
Better than Khushi? Her own sister.
So I think Janhvi is definitely the best of the lot. I love the fact that this was a solely female-driven film. We need more of these without the whole PR built around ki, we are bringing a female soul of. They promoted it like a normal, जैसे हम लोग, normal तो is a wrong word, but like जैसे usual films आती रहती हैं,
Yeah.
they promoted it like that. The narrative was that. I love the fact that they showed ki how the society perceives it when a woman climbs to a position which is higher than like the usual positions. या उसको अगर एक बड़ा promotion मिल जाता है, so people talk behind her back कि ओ ऐसे मिला होगा वैसे मिला होगा. तो ये सब aspects को उन्होंने subtly touch किया. उसको केटर किया. जानवी कपूर की कैपेबिलिटी मुझे लग रहा है इस फिल्म में अच्छी दिखाई है. आई एग्री टू अ सर्टन पॉइंट कि कैरेक्टर्स थोड़े से वेस्टेड थे. चैंग के कैरेक्टर से मैं थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटेड था कि चैंग वाज डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब व्हाइल ही वाज ऑन स्क्रीन.
Okay. But
then there's a spoiler, but
Then the rest of the movie happened.
yeah, then the rest of the movie happened. Abbas, what do you think about the film?
So, see, I like Snail's positivity. Like, he likes to see the brighter side
Yeah,
of things,
sure.
of everything. I did
Abbas
not.
didn't like it, guys.
Yeah, surprise. I did not like the film.
Nobody's surprised.
I'll tell you what I did like. I think this film does a good job at displaying the inner workings of Indian intelligence and Indian civil servants.
Yeah.
I think we have a very cliche idea of Indian civil servants in our
exactly.
mind. But this breaks that. I think a few scenes in the beginning when they're setting up things about how civil servants present themselves, how their meetings happen, those are good.
My dad used to be a civil servant.
servant?
Yeah, for 24
Really?
years of his life. Yeah.
Whoa,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Then maybe you should watch the film and ask him for state secrets.
Okay.
No, but Yeah, I think this is a film that's from a different time. I think in
I
2024,
agree.
espionage
agree.
thrillers have moved on a lot.
Yeah.
My major grouse is that again, it's a very general. Wow, you're cleaning the table.
Fine, yeah?
It's a very general binary that we had in early 2000s, where if a character's name is a Muslim character, then they're all presented in a very shady way that they might be in on the you know,
Yeah.
the plot.
Unless you're watching Sarfarosh.
That's what I'm saying, which came out in
Yes.
1997
Yeah, very true,
and
very
which
true.
is like way more progressive than this.
Shashi's character.
Also, for an espionage film, the plot is very convoluted. At the interval point, you have to keep track of multiple things happening, and there are some very convenient things that happen. That if a character has to be come to Delhi from London, the film sets up the fact that this person will not get a visa, he may face obstacles, and then suddenly a few scenes later, he just is in Delhi. Without us
So
telling
the
us.
thing is कि हाँ वो they also cater to this कि अगर वो कैसे भी जा सकता था तो फिर उसने वीजा के लिए बात क्यों करी, but they never answer this.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, so it leaves a lot of things unanswered. Janhvi Kapoor is good. I think I haven't seen much of her work, but I believe her as an Indian civil servant.
Did either of you watch Mr. and Mrs. Mahi?
No, I did
Yes,
not.
I did.
Oh, and what do you think?
I liked it.
Okay.
Snehal likes
yeah.
everything.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है.
No,
but
I like
ठीक है.
that about you. That you like you want to see the positive.
Yeah, be yourself, man.
So,
Don't
yeah.
नहीं
change on our
नहीं
account.
मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि मुझे सब कुछ पसंद आता है, but Mr. and Mrs.
you
Mahi was
liked it.
not that bad actually, and it did decently on the box office also. Reviews भी सही थे.
Okay.
नहीं, box office did well. you're
Yeah,
saying?
yeah.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah.
Profit making film
Chalo,
थी.
cricket, I guess, dude. Nice.
हाँ, cricket also, and Rajkumar was amazing, bro, in the film.
Coming back to Ulaj, the last thing I want to say is that Gulshan Dave is very good, yes, but I feel like in the second half there isn't much of him.
हाँ.
So I don't know if his role got cut off on the editing floor award, but yeah, I would have liked to see more of him. Roshan Matthew is in this film. I think he's pretty good.
He's pretty good. Yes.
It seemed like this is the kind of stuff that usually makes it to streaming nowadays. Like this espionage thrillers,
does, yeah, you're right,
they often go to streaming. So it was.
Wait, it's not on streaming.
No, it's not. It's in the
it's
theaters.
in the
That's the
theaters.
thing.
But that's the thing. Like, I absolutely thought you guys were talking
I
about the
don't
last half
blame
an
you
hour.
because Gulshan
I thought it
Dave
was like a Netflix film.
no, because Gulshan Dave has been doing a lot of streaming stuff.
you're right. You're right.
And it is a very looks like a made for streaming film. I don't know. I thought it lacked a lot of things that I was looking for. The female representation aspect of it, yes, as one particular element of the film where an explicit video of Janhvi Kapoor's is about to be leaked, and that becomes like a big plot point, which sheds light on the fact that if it was a male officer, maybe the stakes would not have been that high. But a female officer in a big position, if her MMS gets leaked, then it'll be a huge deal. That aspect I think was interesting. But overall,
So yeah, मैं
seen this before.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ. हाँ, plot story wise I think this could have been better.
Yeah.
But I think performances wise it was good. मुझे तो performances अच्छे लगे, and Gulshan Devaiya for sure I would have wanted more of him in the second half of the film. But जितना भी time वो screen पे था, भाई एकदम attention उनके चेहरे पे ही थी. And you know one more reason, so like there's this thing कि जब ये लोग इसका promotion कर रहे थे, they were doing interviews and all. There was this one point where people, like the interviewer, I don't remember who, he or she asked about the equation with Janhvi and between Janhvi and Gulshan, and Gulshan was like, ki, oh, so we weren't like best of friends. We weren't friends.
This was
we
Film
didn't
Companion.
vibe.
This was Film
yeah,
Companion.
yeah.
Oh.
The last one in
Yeah. By the way,
One of the last ones.
now that Film Companion is kind of shut shop.
We are the new FC.
We are FC because we're
Yeah,
filming
yeah. By the way, FCS still exists. Film Companion Studios.
Oh
I
yeah,
think.
yeah. They've done the Rajmouli documentary which has come out on
Yeah.
Netflix.
Oh, it's out already.
It's all already.
Yeah, it's on
Okay.
Netflix.
I was just yesterday watching their Dil Dhadakne Do cast interview on
okay,
Film
yeah.
Companion
तो
Studios.
आई थिंक गुलशन देवैया वो कमिंग बैक टू द इंटरव्यू द वन दैट वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट वो ऐसा पॉइंट भी करता है कि बिकॉज द इंटरव्यूअर इज लाइक टेकन अबैक कि ओ लाइक नोबडी सेज
ऐसे तो कोई नहीं बोलता है.
या एंड देन ही इज लाइक यू weren't prepared for this no you had no questions.
But before we go to the friendship movies, I just want to share something, guys. Today I had a Mumbai Starry moment. So,
But tell me one thing before going to this, would you recommend people to watch Ulaj?
no.
Like not at
maybe
all.
streaming पे अगर आई तो अगर आपके पास कुछ नहीं है करने के लिए, and if you want to watch something like a Homeland kind of a show, you can watch it. But this is an interesting litmus test. One guy liked the film, one guy did not. So go watch it and tell us what you and one hasn't seen only.
Yeah.
So yeah. So go watch it and tell us.
Also, do you think Janhvi Kapoor gets extra share of hate because she's part of the newer generation, which usually gets a lot of hate and is the nepo tag
the
attached
nepo
to it.
tag I think is why she probably gets more criticism because like most kids from film families, they have not worked, or rather they got things a little more easily than other people. But like you mentioned, I also agree among the newer lot. Like I could not buy.
Sorry, go
Okay, I'll take it again. I could not have bought Ananya Pandey as a civil servant or Sara Ali Khan as a civil
that would be
servant,
weird.
right?
Ananya Pandey would be so weird. As
Yeah, that's what. Janhvi Kapoor, and also there are some moments in this film where civil servants are having meetings with other foreign nationals, so they're speaking lines in French, they're speaking like in Nepali.
Yeah.
So you know that little nuances. I was like, I believe Janhvi Kapoor is a. In some scenes where she's wearing a sari and representing India, she's playing a little, looking a little older than she's supposed to be, and I bought that. So I think she's good in this film, except for scenes where she has to show a lot of emotion.
And the shouting part.
Shouting
part
What
thoda
other
jari tha.
spy espionage films do we have? In
Pathan, Jawan nahi,
it's true.
Pathan,
Pathan for
Ek
sure,
Tha
yes,
Tiger, Tiger 3.
Tiger Zinda hai.
Those are not thrillers.
Action thrillers, you can say, right?
Is it a thriller?
मतलब ठीक है. Like I would still
Like
say
you're not
कि-
guessing कि क्या होएगा.
You guys remember that Nasruddin
behind
Shah
this?
movie A Wednesday? Is that an
Yeah,
espionage
Yeah, that is definitely
Does-
yeah.
yes,
A little
yes.
bit,
But is that a
yeah.
spy thriller? We don't have.
Yeah, I mean, it's not spy in the traditional sense, but it is one guy going against the grain and asking the Indian government
Sure,
and police
sure.
to do
So I
something.
would still say that give the movie a chance. I like पता नहीं मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि chance देना चाहिए. I'm not saying it's a great experience, but I think it deserves the chance.
Alright, fair enough.
Streaming pe dekho. Can I quickly tell my story?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
So before coming here in the morning, I woke up and I was having chai at like a tapri, and the guy's giving me chai. He gave me biscuits and everything. Then I'm like, "Kitna hua?" I was about to make a payment. He's like, "Sir, आप picture में आए हो ना?"
Oh.
And I was like, कौन सी पिक्चर? वो अभिषेक बच्चन का पिक्चर था.
Oh,
I like आपको कैसे पता? हाँ मेरे को पता है. आप वो बार वाले सीन में अभिषेक bro. Shit. And a guy said, he was sipping chai next to me. Suddenly, like, who the fuck is this guy? Is it and I'm like, हाँ कितना हो भैया? 34 रुपया.
Bro, so cool.
So yeah, so far.
Oh, I thought he was gonna wave off.
No, he didn't click a selfie or anything or take less money. He took
Man,
full
Bro,
money.
it still counts
But
for an
that's
experience
amazing.
and a
So
half.
far,
bro.
even for people who have seen Ghumar, when I tell them, they're like, which scene were you in? And then I had to show this. This chai guy remembered that one.
Maybe he just saw it
scene,
yesterday
dude.
or something.
Maybe that's possible, yes.
That's so cool, dude. Congratulations.
So yeah, thank you so
Too
much.
many more.
I'll tell you my starry-eyed moment was just before this recording. I was coming up in this building and I saw Kabir Khan
Oh, nice.
going up the stairs. I don't know, maybe to the gym or something.
Is there a gym in this building?
I guess दोस्त इस building में gym है क्या? हाँ,
Oh,
I guess
okay.
gym, right? Yeah. I guess if we go up there, we'll see Ekta Tiger 4 being made in the gym.
Fourth
But
Tiger.
yeah, what a thing. What happened to you, starry-eyed?
Wait. He said fourth tiger. You missed that.
Oh, sorry. Nicely done. Who's the latest celebrity you've come across, man? Or you've seen anyone?
लास्ट रिकॉर्डिंग पे जब मैं आ रहा था तो मुझे उरूज दिखे थे.
Sure. She's
Who's
a
will love
celeb.
that? I'm a celebrity now. Wow, yeah, nice, fun times. Okay, let's get to it.
Yes.
Friendship Day special.
फ्रेंडशिप पता है मैं आप लोगों के लिए फ्रेंडशिप बैंड्स लाने वाला था. बट फ्रेंडशिप बैंड्स ऑब्सोलीट हो गए हैं भाई.
That's
Yeah,
true.
कुछ कहीं पे दिखे ही नहीं मुझे.
Blinkit, bro.
नहीं है.
हैं.
अरे वो वाले हैं जो वो छोटे छोटे होते हैं ना, इससे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स लिखा होता है, पतले पतले वो हैं. तो अब लाइक थोड़ा सा मैनली वाले मिले ना.
Friendship bands have never been manly ever, dude.
No
Except
homo.
but leather ones and all that you get.
But what was the last time you gave a friendship band?
Oh, buddy, school.
School, I think
School
after
only,
school,
no?
nobody even mentioned the
Yeah.
friendship band ever. Also, मुझे याद है फ्रेंडशिप बैंड और रक्षाबंधन हमेशा एक दूसरे के आगे पीछे आया करते थे.
हाँ.
कुछ लड़कियां दोनों फायदा लेके ये कर देती थी कि फ्रेंडशिप बैंड बांध रही है तो मतलब राखी भी हो
एक
गया.
जोक आता था ना कि वो फ्रेंडशिप बैंड पे लड़कियां स्कूल नहीं जाती और रक्षाबंधन पे लड़के स्कूल नहीं जाते.
हाँ.
So the thing is, no.
हमारा तो बॉयज स्कूल था.
I, at the most, in my entire life, every year of Friendship Day, okay, I always thought, oh, I have a lot of friends, I'm good in life and all, fucking everyone loves me. And a friendship day, my hand would be like 5 max. Okay?
5 is not bad.
Bro,
yeah.
5 is good. That's
But
too
dude,
many
there were
friends.
so many these show off bastard boys in my
Oh,
class.
yeah,
who
yeah.
would
Where
have
are
all
they
the way till the
where are they
elbow.
now, Antariksha? Do they have a podcast?
I don't know, they're happy in life, I guess. I have no idea where they are. But they're like all the way till their elbow and I'm beyond.
Yeah,
and all.
yeah, yeah.
These fucking thugs. I don't know.
swear, bro.
These-
I also
As like-
I remember teachers used to be very split on this. There are some teachers जो बंदवाती थी और उनका
हाँ,
भी ऐसे और
and-
कुछ होती थी. What is this stupidity?
What was up with those kids, bro? Teacher के पास जाके क्या
चाटना था.
friendship
Yeah, yeah,
Teacher
बैठ
को
गए?
चाटना था बस. Yeah.
Yeah, मैंने भी किया एक दो बार. यार.
तो
Sure, I'm not
आपको भी
judging you.
चाटना था.
Dude, you know, like once I was such a cheapskate, right?
Huh.
Very often. Maybe this is why I had like 5. But you know, like 1 year, I was like, fuck this. I don't want to buy friendship bands. I don't have money and all, right? I just took a roll of ribbon and just kept cutting it and then tie it to my friends. And I was like, yeah, nobody minded that,
Yeah.
dude. That's
Bro,
the way to do
आप
it.
ये मैं तो और बताता हूँ. मैं तो और कितना ही आप तो बहुत अच्छे थे. आपने रिबन तो लिया. मैंने फेसबुक पे हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे का
Sellotape.
फोटो डाल के सबको टैग कर दिया.
हाँ, इसीलिए तो obsolete हो गए friendship
Happy
band.
friendship day.
That's so funny. Oh, that's great. Okay, cool.
But you have like a close to your heart or a very funny best friend experience.
Let's start with you, Antariksha.
So, man, the thing is, I don't think nowadays this is gonna sound sad a little.
Sure.
But someone, I don't think there's one person in my life right now who I can call a best friend, other than Kirti Sinha, my fiance. I can just say that.
Now suddenly you're on Abbas's side.
You're in your 30s, right?
I'm 32. Yeah.
When you get in your 30s, it's absolutely normal. You don't have a best friend.
I'm not a best friend. I have like various close friends. and
नहीं,
like a
but I
close
think
circle.
एक best friend हो सकता है, but उससे रोज मिलना.
वो तो impossible है almost.
वो नहीं.
हाँ.
That's what if you have someone in your life outside of a person who's your whatever husband, wife,
Partner.
girlfriend, boyfriend, partner, जिसके साथ आप हर चीज शेयर करते हो, जो आपका मॉरल सपोर्ट होता है, जिसको आपकी जिंदगी के हर ऊंचे और नीचे पॉइंट्स पता है. Sure, and even if that person is not in the same country as you,
Yeah.
that's fine. But this whole idea of I don't know doing things together as a best friend.
That's true. That's I think
Goes
those
out
are
of the
yeah,
window,
that goes
yeah.
out. Let's move on to what we are talking about on this episode.
Yes.
The main crux of it. Favorite buddy cop, buddy friendship movies.
Buddy cop नहीं, like buddy movies.
बड़ी मूवीज उसके अंदर अब वो
I
कॉप
have
है तो
buddy
ठीक है.
cop.
अगर cop है तो cop है. हाँ.
You don't tell me what to do, Abbas. Well, what do you have? Let's start with Abhi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Oh, we're starting with number 3.
Ranking 3, 2,
Oh,
1.
Isa. Now.
Okay. So at number 3, I have a movie which is a little weird when it comes to friendship, because one character in this movie is an adult and all his friends are children. But I have gone with
Oh, Koi Mil Gaya.
Koi
कोई
Mil
मिल
Gaya,
गया.
yes. Because I think the movie.
Oh, we could do this also. You tell the movie and we try, like you give
guess
one
it.
hint and we try guess your choice.
You both got it right.
ठीक है.
I think the whole idea that when an alien comes into Rohit's life, again because he has these children with him, but for the first time he connects with another being on a level where he can have a heart to heart with this.
उसके भी 2 thumb होते हैं. Alien के.
हाँ. और ये this alien is giving him powers out of friendship only, I guess, because he sees that this person is struggling in their life. So of course.
Wait, the alien you're talking about is Kangana Ranaut, right?
No, she was not in Koi Mil
Oh,
Gaya.
sorry,
She came 2 films
Krish
later.
Krish 3.
2 films later, yes.
But yeah.
So, also, I think there's not much friendship left there. So, yeah.
I think it's only friendship.
But,
all love.
But yeah, I think of course, Koi Mil Gaya inspired by E.T., which is also very where
Steven Spielberg, yeah.
where the central character is a kid. But I like this, man. I like that when Jadoo goes away, he's really sad. It's a very genuine, like, of course, there's no romantic angle between Rohit and Jadoo. Also, there's no ulterior motive. He's a
genuine friend.
He's a genuine friend. He's struggling and
Yeah.
he sees someone who can help him, who he can share things with, and there's a genuine give and take, and which helps him bond with his other kid friends also. They suddenly great at basketball. They are cheering him on. He gets a girlfriend, you know.
That's true.
Jadoo, great wingman.
It's
you know?
magic.
Yeah,
It's magic.
So I think and also generational thing. Like I was 15 years old when the film came
Dude,
out.
I
So
loved the film when it came out. I saw it in
Yeah.
theater multiple times.
We
I was obsessed about the film.
Recently did it on Hazard Age Well with Mohammed Anas. You can catch that episode.
Not recently. It's
Not
been more than a
recently. It's
year
been a
now.
while. Yeah. But that's an episode is out there. But yeah, surprisingly, when I thought back at friendship movies, this for some reason stood out. So for me,
Nice. Great. That's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Even I love the film.
Yeah, Koi Mil Gaya is great.
Koi Mil Gaya is.
Yeah.
Krish was also fine. Krish
So,
3 mein thoda.
but from that film, from that series, Koi Mil Gaya is still the best
Yeah.
from that lot.
Krish also.
Krish
again,
was also nice.
We did. We had Anas back to talk about Krish.
Krish,
on
yeah,
Hazard Age
yeah,
Well.
yeah.
So I had never seen Krish from start to beginning. I actually liked it way more than I thought.
You've never seen Krish
I'd
from
never
beginning?
seen Krish like at once from start to finish.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
मेरी छोटी बहन की फेवरेट फिल्म थी क्रिश.
Of course.
तो हम लोग जब क्रिश आई थी हम लोग हॉल में देख कर आए तो शी वेंट गागा ओवर द फिल्म एंड वी वेटेड फॉर द ऑफिशियल ओरिजिनल ब्लू-रे DVD print to come out. ठीक है, एंड देन वी बॉट दैट ऑब्वियसली और क्वाइट लिटरली स्कूल से आके एवरी डे शी यूज्ड टू वॉच क्रिश. हम लोग DVD पे लगाते थे और उसको वो क्रिश देखती थी. एक टाइम के बाद ऐसा हुआ कि हमने वो इतनी चला ली कि वो फर्स्ट हाफ 2 हाफ में थी, इंटरवल से पहले इंटरवल के बाद DVD में थी. फर्स्ट हाफ वाला जो DVD था उस पर स्क्रैचेस आ गए ऑटोमेटिकली चल चल के, तो वो आगे सिर्फ सेकंड हाफ देख.
And the first half is much superior than the second half.
Yeah, she's like whatever I can get off the film, I will be enjoying it.
Fair enough. What's yours?
But yeah.
ओ फक, मैंने लिस्ट फोन में डाली थी, फोन से तो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है.
You want to very quickly have a.
Wow, that's so funny, dude.
As you can see, guys, the
Now I
preparation.
I
is
remember
off the
2
charts.
of the 3
Okay, wait.
films.
What we'll do is you, from your phone, take a photo on my phone and then you can see, use that. ठीक है? ये समझा?
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, उस पे रिकॉर्डिंग रोकना पड़ेगा.
हाँ तो रोक देंगे 1 सेकंड के लिए यार. We won't
रुको
stop the
रुको,
others.
I remember 2. Let me.
This is too funny. We can't cut any of
तुझे
this out.
तीसरी वाली नहीं याद है जो नंबर
मुझे दूसरा नंबर वाली नहीं याद.
ओह अच्छा.
आप जब तक आप बताओ अपनी नंबर 3, मैं तब तक सोचता हूँ मेरी दूसरी कौन सी थी.
Wait, are you sure we can do this? You can take a
नहीं
photo.
नहीं, it's fine, आप बोलो.
ठीक है. So the first movie I have is,
Which is your number 3?
which is okay. हाँ, this is my number 3. Sorry, thanks. I can't put this one number 3. So man, again, I've said this again and again. Buddy cops are my favorite genre.
Favorite, yeah.
Okay. Buddy cops usually, very often, it's not often that both the characters are cops. It's very sometimes only one of them is a cop. Sometimes neither of them are cops, or they are from different offshoots of the government body or whatever. One of my favorite movies is one that I have talked about on Hazard Age Well.
Yeah.
This guy. Okay, it's a movie that Ramesh Sippy, the director, made after Sholay. Okay, after Sholay, the movie he made in 1980 was Shaan.
Oh, love it.
Fucking great.
Great film.
Great
Love it.
buddy cop.
Yeah,
Look,
yeah.
buddy bol do actually.
Buddy film,
because neither of them are
yeah.
cops. And the cop character that they have is the brother of theirs who dies.
Shatrughan
So there's no
Sinha.
more buddy cop left of it.
They're both the con men in that movie, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is not. Are they
हाँ,
con
they
men?
are con men.
Yeah, they are con men. They are con men.
Yes.
And also womanizers to an extent, I guess.
Hey man, it was the 80s.
And then you have Shashi Kapoor and Amitabh Bachchan, of course.
Yeah, bro. What a film. I think it's way more rewatchable than
Yeah.
Sholay. It's way more fun than Sholay.
That's a take, but sure.
Sure, yeah, for sure. I think it's way more rewatchable than Sholay, even, and it's funnier even in parts than Sholay. Some of the staging, like how the camera, the shot is beautifully done.
Yeah.
The chemistry that Amitabh and Shashi share in this film.
Oh, great.
Fantastic,
Great.
dude.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Love it.
And then Shatrughan Sinha also comes in the mix somehow.
Yeah.
That's also like, what? How did that happen?
Shakal.
And fucking great villain.
Great
who they
villain.
have to overcome.
Shakal's friends are sharks who are going behind.
Sharks ही crocodiles.
Crocodile is
Crocodile is
Mogambo.
in the
जो
thing
नीचे
under.
होता है,
Yeah,
shark
yeah.
पीछे घूम रहा
Yeah,
है.
yeah, पीछे. That's probably a green screen, right? But
I don't know. Ramesh Sippy will tell us.
yeah,
Because,
he's still alive.
Yeah.
Of course, bro.
He's still alive, yes.
Oh, I thought Rohan Sippy.
Rohan Sippy is his son, who's
yeah.
also very much alive.
That too I know. I thought Ramesh is,
No, he's
Oh,
out.
cool. Yeah, good.
he's there,
Ramesh
he's
ji,
there.
come on the show.
Yeah, now he'll come.
Of course.
So I think Shan is great. The first time I saw it, I was like, I think in my teens. I saw it a little late in life, or not like when I was a kid.
Yeah.
And I was just like, what is this film? Like, this is amazing. The concept of like a lair was almost very less used
Yeah.
in Bollywood, and still is very less used. I can only think of like Mr. India or something.
Yeah.
That does like a lair, like a villain lair. So a very cool lair. It has like a whole thing where Shakal has this thing that the villain where he makes people sit on a chair.
Roulette type खेलता
Yeah,
है.
correct. And then the chairs start rotating. And
No,
there's
your hands are clasped.
oh yeah, your hands are like
Yeah.
lashed onto the thing, so
Yeah.
you can't
Yeah.
move and get out of the chair. Yeah, thanks for pointing that out. We're like, हाँ तो रोटेटी दो. What's the big deal?
क्रेडिट दो शाकाल को उसने इतने ट्रैप बनाए.
Yeah, correct.
और फिर खुद फंस जाता है उसमें.
Yeah, genius.
Yeah.
But and then the chair stop at a particular place, and then one of the chairs will suddenly just fall behind, and the person falls into like a pit of water in which there are crocodiles and shit, and you get eaten by awesome crocodiles, which is pretty cool.
And that is where Khoon Bhari Maang
Khun Bhari Maang
starts.
starts. The same movie, yes, absolutely. Amitabh and Rekha together.
Oh, okay.
They are not.
No, but
Acha,
they would have been.
oh,
no?
yes, of course.
खुद का ही जोक भूल गया. So Shan, great buddy movie. Excellent songs, dude. प्यार
good song.
करने वाले.
और एक वो भी था तेरे मेरे प्यार नहीं
जानू मेरी जान.
मेरा नाम अब्दुल भी उसी में है ना. I think,
नाम
हाँ?
अब्दुल है मेरा.
सबकी
सबकी
खबर
खबर
रखता
रखता.
उसमें भारी ग्रीन स्क्रीन है बॉम्बे का.
बहुत.
कि वो-
बहुत जबरदस्त.
By the way, it turns out my fiance's father
हाँ.
has seen the shooting of this song. I was talking to him.
नाम है अब्दुल.
He was shot in, I think, around CST and all, right?
हाँ.
So during those days, he was in Bombay and working in at the bank, SBI. And he saw the shooting of this.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Like, he understood in hindsight when he saw the film, this was this.
That was the moment Antariksh was like, I chose the right girl.
Yeah, correct.
मेरी जो थर्ड
Oh, याद आ गया
नंबर
तेरे को? Nice, he remembered. Oh, so this old man here has a memory.
यहाँ
yeah,
पे
nice.
अब्रप्ट कट देख के सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि याद है कि नहीं.
Yeah.
But the film that ranks number 3 for me is Rang De Basanti.
Nice.
Great.
I think
Great. They kill people.
क्योंकि आप अगर दोस्त हैं और सुसाइड मिशन पे नहीं जा रहे हैं तो फिर क्या दोस्ती
yeah,
आप?
bro, I think उस मतलब
Those guys beyond their 30s had best friends.
and a purpose.
but that's because he hung around in college even
That's
after
true,
turning
dude.
30.
That's also true.
Get a life, Amir.
Amir was apparently like he came to watch his sons play at Prithvi, and there was this massive crowd who saw Amir. They were like,
Oh, they were watching Amir while Amir was watching the play. Great.
But anyway, so Rang De Basanti I think ranks number 3 for me when it comes to friends and the bond that they share. Like I think it's one of the strongest bonds that we've seen. Movie is great.
Can I ask you? I recently was just having this discussion with a friend. Which is a better patriotic film for you? Rang De Basanti or Chak De India?
Rang De Basanti, bro. Out
Chak
and
De
out.
India.
What? See,
Rang De
again,
Basanti
both
is
are
very
excellent
flawed.
films.
It has not aged that well.
Really? Rang De Basanti has not aged that well?
No. The what do you call the solution they come up with to make a point is very problematic. So it's very well made. It's
Yeah.
still very
No, bro.
impactful.
एक second. नहीं. रुको. So the solution that they come up with is not. It's they're trying to
It's
draw
extreme.
they're trying to draw parallels. No, तभी तो ये solution पे आते
But
हैं.
even then it doesn't work. It's very like my father does not.
Yeah,
give me
Abbas
atten-
wapas gets getting
my
hate in the
father does
comments.
not give me attention, and he just lets me be. So I'm gonna kill him. That's a very this thing, and he somehow involved in the government and the government sucks, so let me shoot my father is not the most logical conclusion you get to.
That is true. That is
So,
fair.
यार अगर आप उसको उतना डिडक्टिव करके देखो तो ऑब्वियसली
Deductive नहीं कर रहा हूँ. That's exactly what the film gets to.
नहीं,
They're not
I
even
understand what
symbolizing
you're-
that.
No, I understand what you're saying, but I think the parallels that they draw, they basically say कि इन सब से
Which freedom fighter killed their own father?
नहीं
if
नहीं,
they
it's
didn't
not
agree
about
with
the
them?
father. They're not talking about the relationship here. They're talking about the parallels of the character and the characteristics, not the relationship.
I think that's a different episode. Point I'm trying to
हाँ,
make is
चलो,
कि
ठीक है।
रंग दे बसंती was impactful enough कि उस टाइम पे जैसिका लाल का verdict आया था
Yeah,
और
yeah.
लोग सड़क पे आए थे to overturn reopen
अपने
the
टाइम
case.
के हिसाब से तो बहुत
And
हाँ.
it's still if you watch it will evoke something in
Yeah.
you very strong. But I still think the way the third act of the film is very problematic. So that's my
Okay,
issue with
हाँ,
it.
fair.
But as a friendship movie, I agree with you. It works.
I think one of the best friendship movies that has ever been made.
Sure.
Yeah, fair enough, man. That's
These
totally
guys
fair.
don't kill dads, I guess.
Should we do number 2?
But no, wait, let's talk a little bit more about
Rang de
Rang
Basanti.
De Basanti. You're right, absolutely.
Great songs.
Dude, great
songs. आज भी वो गाना वो वाला गाना सुनो तो रोना आ जाता है जो वो लोग प्रोटेस्ट के टाइम पे गाते हैं
खून चला।
क्या हाँ
खून चला. खून चला.
हाँ वो मैं उसकी बात कर रहा था जो वो क्या बताऊँ माँ कहाँ हूँ मैं
okay, yeah.
वो वाला गाना
I
आई
also
थिंक
like that, the one with Soha Ali
लुका
Khan.
छुपी यस
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah, Ben Bataya one is great. Rang De Basanti, the title track is
lot of
excellent.
singing on this episode that I
Rang De Basanti's title track, पाठशाला, रूबरू, खलबली.
सब एक गाना iconic है भाई
Song,
एक
what an album.
गाना
Is
iconic
it
है।
A.R. Rahman, was it?
Of
A.R.
course,
Rahman,
bro.
yeah.
Who else?
Must be this
You know
iconic.
what? So I did an episode with Anurag Minus Verma. Episode out there, check it out about Chashme Badur. But
you know,
no,
people
that-
must tune out at this point.
So
I
he's
swear. Like,
he's
protest में नहीं देखेंगे
Dude, actually, you know what? In मेरे top 3 list जो है वो सारे एपिसोड किए हमने तो. But Anurag Minus Verma was from Rajasthan.
Yeah.
And he was telling कि वो जो scene है वो जो वहाँ खड़े होते हैं ऊपर और दारू पी रहे होते हैं.
मुत्ते हैं.
हाँ मुत्ते हैं. That apparently some old fort in Rajasthan, and up till Rang De Basanti it was like some obscure place where very few people used to go. उसके बाद हर कोई जाके वहाँ बियर की बोतल पीने लगा और फेंकने लगा. तो कहने लगा फिर वहाँ एक रंग दे बसंती के बाद जब वहाँ जाओ तो बस एक समुंदर ऑफ बियर बॉटल्स
so sad.
was over there.
So sad. हमारी ऑडियंस ने वैसे देखा है अक्कल कम
Yeah, bro. अक्कल तो कम प्रॉब्लम तो है.
I swear bro.
So yeah, this is also a lasting legacy of Rang De Basanti.
Bro रंग दे बस I think great story great arc मुझे
Yeah, because they can't like Chuck they go to Australia
Yeah, exactly.
and throw
So,
hockey sticks onto the ground. It's not allowed.
तो वहाँ जाके वो टीम लक करने लगे. हाँ.
so
Okay, fair. Yeah, Rang De Basanti still I think
Yeah,
it's a great, good film, but problematic according to us.
yeah it's fine
According to Urjita and Abbas.
No, maybe.
What did Urjita think?
I think she liked it. I also liked the film. I'm just saying its resolution is not the best.
Alright, fair enough. Fair enough.
fair
Abbas, let's go to your next one.
Next one. Okay, my number 2 is Kai Poche.
Oh, nice.
A film that is again small town, very close knit friends. The 3 friends. They have entrepreneurial dreams, but because of the political situations in their part of the country, they are not able to make it. And I like the fact that the theme of Kai Poche is like these 3 boys are helping this one kid that they see talent in reach his potential. And I think one of the key things of friendship is you see potential in your friend and you try your best to help them. But I know it's based off of a Chetan Bhagat book. But I think
loosely based on let's
loosely
call
based
it
on
yeah
maybe. But I think the movie is much better than the book.
Like 3 Idiots.
The 3.
सो विक्रांत मासी ने आई थिंक 3 इडियट्स के बारे में जब बात करी थी उससे कुछ तो पूछा गया था एंड उसने बोला था कि बहुत लूजली बेस्ड है डोंट कॉल इट कि
he must
एकदम
have
से
been
उसको देख
talking about
के
it.
हाँ मतलब वो बात कर रहे थे उसके
I
बारे
don't
में
think he's in the film.
हाँ फिल्म में तो नहीं है
Highly
शायद
doubt,
विक्रांत
man.
मासी
I don't remember this. I've seen
पता नहीं,
three
anyway.
idiots too many.
एनीवे हो सकता है मैंने कुछ गलत सुना पड़ा हो बट आई थिंक 99% आई एम श्योर उसने ऐसे यही बोला था.
Okay, नहीं बोला तो होगा पर
But about Kai Poche, all the three leads went on to have great careers. Rajkumar Rao, Sushant Singh, and
अमित साथ.
Amit Saad.
Amit Saad and I exchanged t-shirts
Okay.
Yes.
and since then he
But,
hasn't been in that many films.
But yeah, I think Kai Poche holds up. I think it does friendship.
Manav Kaul was great in the
Manav Kaul was amazing.
Great
in the film. And so yeah, that's my number 2 pick.
Alright,
What's your number 2 pick?
let's see. I have like a whole list, dude.
भाई ये ना पॉडकास्ट से पहले लिस्ट बना रहे हैं हम लाइक भाई 3 ही करनी है यार. ये तो 12-15 लिख
ऐसे तो हाँ मेरे पास भी वो था honorable mentions काफी है मेरे.
So the thing is, like, you know, like 2 films that will forever, when you think of friendship, these 2 films, like fucking Farhan Akhtar films, right?
Right.
ZNMD and Dil Chahta Hai.
That's your number 2.
No, so the thing is, I wanted them to be higher, right? But my
There's only one point
there's
इसके ऊपर.
Yeah, exactly, that's
Yeah.
what. So that I think
Now
is
your
like,
number 1
they
has
have
to be like really really good.
I mean, yeah, you will agree.
Okay.
It's a very good
अच्छा
film.
okay.
Okay.
ठीक
Okay,
है.
but also like in the sense, Dil Chahta Hai and ZNMD are so.
Also ZNMD is a Zoya Akhtar film, not a Farhan.
I know, but he's in it now,
he's in
and he wrote dialogues for it, dude.
Sure.
Dialogue writer.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
What do you think? I don't
It's
know.
good he didn't call it a Javed Akhtar film because he wrote the poetry.
हाँ, Javed Akhtar wrote
and the
poetry,
songs.
And the songs. Of course,
Can you imagine Javed Akhtar wrote Senorita? Isn't that amazing? You know.
I can actually.
Yeah.
देखिए जब सेनोरिटा की बात
मोहतरमा. ये सब मोहतरमा बोल रहे हैं.
मोहतरमा को अलग अलग जबान में अलग अलग चीज कहते हैं. जैसे अगर आप स्पेन चले जाएं
Shriram was recently on my show, That Filmy Game Show.
Yeah.
And he so basically one of the questions was to do with a Javed Akhtar song written by him. And he made this observation that it's only Javed. You know how he would know this is a Javed Akhtar song? Because Javed Akhtar loves comparing things
Right.
in simple ways to other things.
Right.
In other simple things like, you know, khulta gulab.
I was about to say एक लड़की को देखा
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
वही
it's
पूरा
just
वही
that.
गाना है.
He does that firstly, and he does that like everywhere. पहली बार मैंने तुमको जब देखा था मेरे यार मैंने तब ये सोचा था लगा कि तुमसे है मिलना था all that
Nice,
is,
nice.
you know, there's similarities to everything else that he makes. So anyway, coming to ZNMD and Dil Chahta Hai.
So both of them are your number 2.
The thing is like I as a movie I like Dil Chahta Hai more.
Okay.
But I just like literally like 5 days back by happenstance just rewatched ZNMD and every time I watch either of these films they always hit me. Like
It's a very
there's
good
something, dude. They always like does something.
Yeah.
Like you know, like for instance, like every time I'll watch it, no, I'll appreciate some acting nook, cranny, something they did in some moment a little bit more. This time when I rewatched it, I appreciated. So Farhan has this scene with his father Naziruddin Shah, right? And Farhan goes so. Like I think he's a very natural actor,
Right.
Farhan. But he goes, it's very, like he's very underrated as an actor. I feel he doesn't get appreciated for his acting enough.
I think it depends on who's directing him.
Yeah.
Fair, could be that. Because in this scene when he's talking to them, right? So you can see every beat that he and his father Naziruddin Shah are
100%,
exchanging.
100%.
You can see his thought process a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay, because you know his whole history, right? His mom has never been keen on him meeting his biological father in the movie.
Yeah.
He brought his friends to Spain to basically, that was under the pretense of possibly meeting his father. That was the whole thing, right? So, and then he's always wondered, okay, did you've known about my existence even though I didn't? Did you never want to make contact with me or whatever? So then Naziruddin Shah says कि
मुझे लगा यही बेहतर है.
यही best है, whatever. Okay, and then finally I think Farhan actually cries, dude, when he's standing up and and then like he starts tearing up, right?
Yeah.
And Naziruddin Shah's like, I'm sorry, Imran. He's like, no, you're not. He's like, मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ कर सकता हूँ. Sorry तब बोलिएगा जब यहाँ से. Okay, and I think he's actually crying.
So there is this thing,
theory, exactly.
That in Zoya Akhtar and Farhan Akhtar films, you'll always see
Father issues.
There'll be
Father-son.
one relation, father-son or father-daughter
Fair,
relationship.
dude, because it hits home, dude.
yeah.
For a lot of Indian men, this father-son relationship is such
Yeah,
a...
I understand.
You know, like there's a distance, dude. You get it, man. Everyone, all of us get it.
तूने स्नेहल को ट्रॉमा दे दिया.
इस वजह से मैंने इन परसूट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस देखी.
Never do, dude. That's troubling. So this and actually Kapoor and Sons also that father-son relationship in Kapoor and Sons always
True.
makes
But
me tear
that's
up.
for Father's Day. Now we're talking about
Right. But yeah, ZNMD, Dilchata, I think
Yeah.
both excellent.
I understand.
And both
ZNMD is
endlessly rewatchable.
actually my number one is ZNMD.
Cool.
So, okay, I'll also spoil it. My number one was Dil Chahta Hai.
Hey!
But I also
think
have
of other films.
I also have a tie, so I'll come to what other film I have. But yeah.
So my number 2 has to be Munna Bhai.
Oh,
Bro,
nice.
Munna Bhai and Circuit का जो दोस्ती वाला angle है, I think that's the best friendship angle that I have seen in
Very unique friendship angle for
भाई
sure.
बहुत
100%.
सही, बहुत ज़्यादा सही. And आपका ये सवाल था लगे रहो या मुन्ना भाई में भी
नहीं मेरा ये कि is that a friendship though? Because essentially Circuit is
An employee.
an employee or
No,
like a
bro,
guru.
it's
Then it
friendship,
develops
but
into
Yeah, that's
it's
what, right?
friendship.
Yeah,
So
it is definitely.
that's why. So
And
when
Lage Rao mein to they've talked about it.
Exactly. So when it comes to friendship, I would actually
The childhood friends, in a way,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I would actually call Lagero Munna Bhai as more of a friend-centric relation than Munna Bhai MBBS.
Right.
And that scene, dude. Bhai,
The jail wala.
no, fuck that jail wala scene, bro. When Munna Bhai has to apologize to Circuit.
Bro.
That's
Oh, dude,
bhai.
I cry every time, dude.
Bhai, male friendship.
Because yeah, you're right, dude. It's Arshad Warsi's reaction of it.
Bro, male
Yeah.
friendship के layers ना हम लोग बिल्कुल ही
नहीं explore करते हैं.
explore नहीं करते. Like we'll all see movies like प्यार का पंचनामा and सोनू के T2 and all these surface level films and all of that. But जो male friendship के layers होते हैं, bro, this man cracked it in that one scene and
Yeah.
it tears me up every time. Like I don't cry, but like a piece of my heart cries whenever I watch. Like when Munna Bhai says कि तू मेरी अपनी डायरेक्ट आई में मत देख उधर हो जा एंड बिकॉज यू नो मैं लाइक थोड़ा वो है स्टीरियोटिपिकली men don't open up या show emotions इतना like to other men, right? That's why probably the dad-son relationship and like the male
100%.
friendship.
100%.
तो I think वो जो 5 मिनट का scene है भाई, I think that tops every friendship scene that I've seen in Bollywood at least, in Hindi cinema, जो मेरे mind में अभी आ रहा है. आप लोग जो सुन रहे हो comments में लिख सकते हो और कौन से ऐसे iconic scenes हैं. And that is why ZNMD मेरे number 1 पे था, because the scene that Hrithik and Farhan Akhtar share
After his apology, he actually says
after he meets
The dad,
Naseeruddin Shah, that's also one of the most amazing scenes that they've shown.
Again, dude, both of them are such good actors in
Good,
that moment.
bro,
You can tell,
I
dude.
genuinely feel Hrithik does not get the his due when it comes to acting. People obviously credit him for him being a
Dancing
great dancer,
and
action, too good looking, Greek god image. I totally.
The Greek God word actually came from ZNMD, by the way. It was the ZNMD era. I remember he looked like such a fucking handsome hunk in
हो
ZNMD.
सकता है.
I remember I started hearing about Greek God body,
Yeah.
Greek God.
But
from
Greek
ZNMD.
God as an expression was used before also.
Was it really? Because I feel like from this it was established, and he was
For
always
Hrithik maybe, but
For Hrithik maybe, yeah. But
for who else?
no, but Greek God physique
Oh, like
is a
that.
very
हाँ,
Yeah,
Greek
yeah.
God
For Hrithik,
physique
for
is a
Hrithik I'm
different
talking, for
thing,
Hrithik,
yeah.
for Hrithik,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So I think he does not get credited enough for the way he acts. He's brilliant as an actor, but people are like, नहीं वो देखो वो dancer अच्छा है, but actor नहीं.
Actor
नहीं,
must
he's
have
a great actor, and that scene is a testament. Guzarish as a film is a testament for that. And I think that's why मुझे ये scenes जिसमें male friendships को ये लोग ऐसे explore करते हैं, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And that's why Munna Bhai Circuit as a friendship duo would be number 1 on my list for sure. But as a film, like ZNMD holds a special place in my heart. So Lage Rao Munna Bhai comes at number 2 for me when it comes to friendship, a friendship, a buddy film.
Great, I would agree, man. It's great, absolutely great. Last of Us.
Your
No,
number
so
1.
my number 1 is Dil Chahta Hai, but I have tied it with another Farhan Akhtar film, which is Rock On. Because beat by beat, if you follow Rock On, is essentially Dil Chahta Hai again, but in a band context. But I mean, what do I say? Dil Chahta Hai, it came at a time in my life where for a generation it was like you can be cool with your friends. You can make Goa plans and go in a Mercedes.
This was the
while
movie that
singing.
made
So-
you start Hazri as well.
Yeah, this was the movie that made me start.
Am I remembering this for you now? How did Abbas miss
I was
talking
like, मैंने इतना plug कर दिया है, अब एक और बार plug करूँ, but then you did it for me, so thank you so much. But yeah, it's the for me when I think of friendship in films, my default setting is Dil Chahta Hai because it just changed the cinematic
Fair,
language,
fair.
changed
I agree.
Correct.
everything.
Yeah,
Rock On also I think kind of falls under that. That again, it's a unique take that. Guys in a band, how do they gel
Fair.
the infighting that they have and all of that. Before we come to your number one, I have some honorable mentions. Should I just very quickly tell them?
What if your honorable mention, takes my
That's true, actually. Yeah.
Number
So you
one.
should go
Yeah,
to. You
fair.
should. You should tell, you should tell us.
which happened with you guys. Sorry. So I'm trying to avoid mine. Number one, dude. One of the greatest comedies of all time, Andaz Apna Apna.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, yeah, that was my honor.
Exactly. I knew it. How could it
That
not
was
be?
also my
How could
honorable
it not
mention.
be? How could it
Andaz
not
Apna
be?
Has to be that.
Bro, Andaz Apna Apna, one of the greatest movies of
Yeah.
all time.
I
Barring
agree.
languages,
I
barring
agree.
everything.
I agree. I
Uh,
completely agree.
it's-
मेरे पास एक और honorable mention है जो अब्बास be like, oh yes, and I think you also.
Okay.
कुछ होता है.
नहीं वो तो है ही है.
फिर कौन सी?
जो जाने भी दो यारो.
जाने
भी दो यारो, okay,
जाने भी
fair.
दो यारो. Also, जाने तो या जाने ना is also.
जाने दो या जाने. So there are a bunch of friendship movies.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, जाने भी दो.
जाने भी दो यारो is great, bro. It's great. Like imagine like two friends trying to tackle a dead body on skates, bitch.
हाँ, जाने भी तो यारो is a great example of आपके साथ अगर कोई हो जब आपकी लग रही हो.
Exactly. It's funny how none of us had 3 Idiots on their list, which
No,
is
we talked about
marketed.
it. We talked about it, for sure.
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh, we talked about it
because we thought we were confused whether Vikrant Massey was in it. But अंदाज अपना अपना ही.
Andaz Apna Apna, dude.
एक प्याले में चाय
Is
पीने
there?
से.
Do I even need to say more?
No, bro.
We've talked about Andaz Apna Apna endlessly. Every film person who is a
Yeah.
film nut in India, I imagine, loves this film.
Great film. Love it.
Dude, still, I'll watch it like once every 2 months. I'll sit down and watch it again, and I fucking love every second of
You're
it.
right.
Also,
you're
I
right.
think it's something about the casting. Like, of course, in Karan Arjun, we've seen Shah Rukh, Salman.
Yeah.
We've probably see Shah Rukh, Amir in some movie in the future.
But Shah Rukh, Amir Salman is
Amir
just this.
Salman in that particular
Just this.
time,
Yeah.
in that particular genre, is just like it's such a meta film that it
बहुत
just-
अच्छी है
yeah.
भाई. मतलब वो रवीना करिश्मा जोक्स क्या कहते हैं
तेजा मैं हूं मार किधर है?
तेजा मैं हूं मार किधर है.
Yeah.
इसके शोले इसके बाप ने लिखी थी.
Exactly.
ऑमलेट का राजा और मुर्गियों का राजा.
हमारा बजाज.
अबे हट. मेरी मेहनत की कमाई से क्या मुर्गी का फार्म खुलेगा सारा पाव वाला.
You can almost also make an argument that Robert and Bhalla are also
I was
buddies.
just thinking that. Like him, Robert Bhalla, and then Teja a little bit by extension.
Yeah, and Karishma and
साले मैं
Ravina
तेरा
also.
गेम कर डालूंगा. तेरा गेम कर डालूंगा.
Bro,
मैं.
हाँ, like this film is just cult.
Yeah.
Cult.
bro.
We could actually go to Oregon and start a
अरे
cult.
दो दोस्त एक प्याले में चाय पियेंगे. दो दोस्त एक प्याले में चाय पियेंगे. इससे दोस्ती बढ़ जाएगा दोस्ती.
But I had Andaz Apna Apna and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai in my honorable mentions because I think Kuch Kuch Hota Hai for whatever its problematic aspects that pyar dosti hai and all of that. I think it for the first time in the mainstream we had like a boy girl friendship.
That's true.
I think somehow in the Indian mainstream.
But you also had एक लड़का और एक लड़की
हाँ,
भी
of course,
दोस्त
then
होते हैं.
it also hammered the idea that if a girl is your friend, and you're a boy, then she's into you.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I think for a large population of India, it legitimized boy girl friendship.
Also one of the films जहाँ पे Friendship Day explicitly दिखाया गया.
And Andaz Apna Apna because it's a great example of someone you end up being friends with that you don't want to be.
Yeah.
Like, you know.
That's almost
Fair.
that's almost how major friendships start.
Yeah, but-
Starting में तुम एक दूसरे को कुत्ते और बिच लगते हो, फिर उसके बाद अरे सही है,
Yeah.
ठीक है आदमी.
But that scene ना जब वो बोल रहे कुछ है और दिमाग में कुछ और सोचते हैं, साला no?
Like जब मेरा ये नहीं है तो तेरा ये कहाँ से होगा?
Yeah, correct.
मैं
So
भी
they-
फेंकूं, ये मेरे से भी फेंकूं.
They hate each other.
मैं भी फेंकूं और ये भी
ये भी
फेंकूं.
फेंकूं, yeah.
But yeah.
But I like your number one is Dil Chahta
Chahta
Hai.
Hai,
Your
yes.
number one is
Andaz.
Andaz Apna Apna. My number is ZNMD.
ZNMD.
Out and out.
Honorable mentions quickly before we end.
So
So before that, हम लोग वो friendship anecdotes की बात कर रहे थे. So
अब्बास.
नहीं जैसे मैंने फ्रेंड अपने दोस्त का नाम लिया कशिश का, अब मैं पता है एज इट इज वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड कि मैं कोई भी मूवी देखने चला जाता हूँ
Of course.
एंड
और पसंद भी कर लेते
हाँ, और हाँ मतलब मुझे मेजरली ठीक भी लगती है. कशिश इज वन ऑफ दोस्त जिसको बिल्कुल मतलब ही इज नॉट लाइक अ मूवी गोइंग पर्सन,
Oh, कशिश बंदा है.
इज नॉट अ रेगुलर मूवी गोअर. ठीक है,
हाँ.
तो मैं पता उसे कैसे ब्लैकमेल करके फिल्म लाइक तू चल रहा है मैं अकेले जाऊं देखने के लिए. एंड देन ही यूज्ड टू बी लाइक कि यार उसके हिसाब से अकेले मूवी देखने इज अ वेरी सैड थिंग.
Agree.
ठीक है, तो एंड ही लाइक अच्छा चलता हूँ यार मैं. एंड मैंने उससे इतनी रद्दी पिक्चरें दिखाई.
Wow, it's a wonder you guys are still friends.
ऐसे ब्लैकमेल कर करके मैंने उससे इतनी भाई मैं उसे सिंगिस ब्लिंग दिखाने ले गया था
Oh,
भाई.
wow, that's too funny.
एंड वो बेचारा चला मेरे साथ देखने के लिए जस्ट
great.
बिकॉज. एंड एक और चीज विधि के बारे में मैंने बात करी ब्रो, शी इज द ओनली वन हु सपोर्ट्स माई स्नीकर मैडनेस. वो बेचारी लाइन वाइन में लगती है भाई मेरे लिए, क्योंकि दिल्ली में अगर स्नीकर लॉन्च है और मैं यहाँ पर हूँ तो मैं तो नहीं जा सकता.
Right.
Okay, fair enough.
तो 2 एनेक्डोट्स मुझे याद आ गए.
Okay, quickly. Honorable mentions. We have no time. Guys, we have to end this quickly, guys. So quickly.
हाँ, cool. No, my honorable mentions were those. कुछ होता है ना, याराना, the original याराना with अमिताभ and
Oh,
अमजद
nice,
खान,
nice.
जिसका गाना मैंने हाँ
यार
उसमें like the friendship is a little too extreme in that,
Okay, fair enough.
but it's the main plot is that Amitabh Bachchan plays a guy from a village and then Amjad Khan is this guy who's come to the city, so he's become posh, but
Yeah.
but that movie is also like वो old school.
या वो
दोस्ती
लाइन
सब
वो
कुछ
लाइन भी तो है ना, मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे.
Like Yarana is almost two men as fond of each other without being gay as can be. Like, इससे ज्यादा अगर थोड़ा fondness दिखा दोगे
तो फिर वो शायद लाइन ब्लर हो जाए.
Fair. I have
But yeah.
quite a few in my honorable mentions.
Yeah.
Firstly, the Govinda and Sanjay Dutt films, which is
एक
Hasina
और
Manzai
एक
की एक और एक 11
Oh,
जोड़ी
yeah.
number 1.
Oh, एक और एक 11, I love एक और एक 11.
Dude, again, by the way, Shankar Ehsaan Loy have the soundtrack of that.
Oh, nice.
And
Love
the
का
title
फंडा
track.
उन्होंने बनाया था.
अंडे का फंडा is जोड़ी number 1.
जोड़ी number 1.
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
not sure who the musicians were for that, but एक और एक 11 is.
हाँ.
एक और एक का टाइटल सॉन्ग भी
Yeah,
शंकर
yeah,
महादेवन ने
great. By the
गाया
way, Shankar Mahadevan.
एक और
great. एक और एक 11.
शंकर एहसान लॉय ग्रेट बडीज.
True that. I also have.
जतिन ललित. Sorry, go ahead.
I also have
Ajay Atul.
movies like double role films like Judwa and Gopi Kishan.
They are not buddies
I
actually.
mean, but it applies. No, see, a buddy movie.
ऐसा तो मैं सोच रहा था फिर तो करण अर्जुन भी कर सकते हैं यार.
हाँ, कर तो सकते हैं.
वो तो भाई है, तुम्हारे पास ऑप्शन नहीं है कोई और.
So, dude, it is what it is. But again, so another movie that I did want to talk about is Main Khiladi Tu Nadi. But I've talked about it enough.
I was surprised.
I've talked about it enough. So
you
I
know
didn't
where
want to make it.
he's talked about it enough. On
No,
our podcast.
no, Abbas, no.
Let's go and make that episode private. I don't want it out
मैं
there
सारे
anymore.
लिंक्स भेज दूंगा उसको डिस्क्रिप्शन में
And
डाल.
the last one I would like to mention, if
Yeah.
I can, is Dostana. No, fuck Dostana. Is Bade Miyan Chote Miyan.
What?
Amitabh.
अच्छा, oh.
That's a proper buddy cop
अच्छा
movie.
तुझे लगा अक्षय वाली.
नहीं, bro,
क्या
never,
हो गया
never.
भाई?
Never ever. This is the original Bade Miyan Chote Miyan with Govinda and Amitabh. Great buddy
That's
cop.
true. Yeah,
Fucking excellent. They're actually cops, both of them.
Yeah.
And they're actually gundas also, both of them. So
Yeah.
check it out. Fucking hey.
Yes,
Let's.
yes.
तेरा कुछ और?
नहीं भाई मेरे वही थे, जाने भी तो यारो और अंदाज अपना अपना. जाने भी तो यारो आई थिंक कल्ट अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी है प्लीज डू वॉच इट. इट्स अ वेरी गुड पॉलिटिकल सेटायर एंड
Which will always be relevant.
which will always be relevant. 110%. There is no outdating that film and अंदाज अपना अपना of course. I don't know why a lot of people say कि अगर हम आज देखें अंदाज अपना अपना तो उतनी फनी नहीं है. नहीं है, ठीक है.
So again, that's debatable.
I get it,
Everyone's,
but
it's
like
number one है
अच्छी
यार.
है.
I too love it, of course, but I saw it as a kid.
But-
and I
but
know
हाँ,
people
do
who've
watch
seen
it.
it recently and have not enjoyed
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Even I know a bunch of people. तभी मैंने mention किया. But do watch it. Yeah, those are my.
Let us know what
honorable
your
mentions.
favorite films are.
Yes,
Yeah,
please
yeah,
do. There are
With friendship, I think.
there are so many friendship films in
Yeah,
Hindi
there's
cinema.
no way we got all of them.
Yeah, of course not.
जाने तो ये जाने ना is one I think.
जाने तो या जाने ना शोले हमने शोले नहीं mention करी भाई.
But that's about so many other things.
But that's also about friendship.
Sure.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Thank you guys
Thank
for
you guys,
tuning in to
yes.
this episode of Pop Conversation.
Yes.
I'm Antriksh. Please follow me online wherever you will find me. Follow me on YouTube. I'm trying to build something there also.
Yes.
Snail Aneja.
Yes, I am @snail on Instagram. Also, there's an Instagram channel for the
Film Colada.
show. film for the
conversation.
YouTube channel. It's called Filmy Colada. Please go and follow that. वहाँ पे भी हम लोग थोड़ा content डालते रहते हैं इसका. And do subscribe to the channel, please. जल्दी से 1000 subscribers हो जाएं तो मज़ा आ जाए एकदम. और Abbas.
Yes, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and listen to Has It Aged Well.
Yep.
Yeah.
Also, one more thing is Akash Mehta, comedian friend of ours, has just come out with his new special called Dark.
Yeah.
Please go check that out. Also, it's very, very funny. You guys will really enjoy it. It's a very unique special for what it is. I'm also doing other shows with other comedians. I'm producing them. Spender Bender with Govind and Oshang. Crickheads with Siddharth Dureja and Shamik Chakrabarti. And Alina Dissects with Alina, who is a creator of social media. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Again, see you again next week. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye-bye. See you.